Uy! Hindi ko nakita yan ah. So deep, brother. So we're back now to the camp, and we have to enjoy the oysters that we picked today. We have some few. Since my cousin got some boosters there. See, here are the gangsters right there. And here are the girls with the oyster. So now we are here. We're back. Check, time check, 4:20. Everyone is eating. Everyone's playing bingo. Bingo.
Bingo!
We're playing bingo.
You want to play bingo?
Bingo.
Come holla at me.
Alright, there we go. Bingo and bingo.
Okay, Pat! Bingo, bingo.
Oh my goodness me.
12,000!
Pati mga alag to ya, mga siguro.
Bingo, bingo. How's the lag? Cut to?
Wala.
Kahit may tao, walang nakakita.
Nakabingo na kayo? Nakabingo na kayo?
Hello, natalo na.
Talo na yung bingo.
Talo ng 8.
Cho!
Yes.
4:30. Bingo and snack time. This is my game. Little propane. Gloves. Cabbage. Beer. Eating kayo ng eating ha. 8 o'clock AM. Ano lulutuin mo? Corn beef. Ito. This we are gonna cook a cow today. Cow. Eggs. Niluluto niya dito.
Yan ako sa Pilipinas.
Rice.
Sa lawak ng dagat. Bakit
Fried
pupunta
rice.
sila sa Seoul?
Fried rice.
Na makipag-anuhan pa sa mga Chinese.
Niluluto ng mga tao dito.
Sa lawak ng dagat. Bakit papasya ang loob?
Ano? Tamo na ako si ano.
Hanggang ngayon nga, nagbebenta pa ako sa
Ano to?
mga
Itlog?
Tim Hortons. Itlog. Wala pa goto eh.
Ano niluluto niyo?
Wala pa, goto. Mukha pa lang water.
Nagulat pa ako.
Sige.
Pag nagkapubya tuloy ako kay...
Sumi?
Sino yung inaatake kanina dito?
Ayan pala eh.
Ay, may min.
Ano yung luluto minsan?
Yan dyan.
Bagay ni Ninoy.
Set up oh. Oh.
Bagay ni Ninoy.
Ito? Ayos to ah.
Nya? Ang luto ka?
Wow.
Juan, kila Joy.
Samlang
Kopi
po
ko.
na agad danggit.
Ayan.
Ano ba yun tayo?
Plano ngayon boss?
Agenda.
Ha? Mukhang may ano ngayon dyan ah. Ano bang... Parang ba yung... Bakit puro red dyan? Di wala akong makita. What are you doing today? Huh? High five. Where is Tai Sai? Sleeping still? Oh, this is our speaker last night. Video okay. Okay. This is the salesperson in the of the day. We have to back to the base. We have what is this? This one. It's part of the ingredients for this corned beef. Okay, let's sit a little bit and watch that that one there. Cooking rice.
Argentina.
Let's sit and relax to this free sit here. We have a businessman here. And everyone is making busy cooking breakfast. Yeah. And what are you doing? Let's see. They're cooking something there too. And we have a labor boy busy. Every station is busy. So we have a goat here. Goat. This is the chef cook. Chef today. Chef cook.
Pala pag lumat na yung tubig sa sawas na lang.
Look at this. Goat meat.
Iyan ko lang ano.
Yeah. We are going to wash that. We have a Uber driver here. Delivery boy. Water that goat meat. Yeah. Oh. Defrosting
Kalapit pa.
method. Yeah. Trees. Trees everywhere. Day 2. Ano yan? Okay. What is that? Dapat dito ako para makita ko. Yan.
Taas mo, taas mo.
Tell me the ingredients.
Onions.
Huh?
Green, red onions, white onions, and chilies. And
What is that? Tell me.
konting kamay.
Ingredients?
That's enough, that's enough.
Okay.
Chilies, green and red. Mayonnaise. Vinegar, Joe.
Vinegar?
Vinegar.
Okay. Yeah, vinegar. Okay.
Kuya, may pepper kayo?
Pepper towel?
Meron kanina. Dito. Pepper, hindi pepper towel.
She means
Isang ko. Okay,
pepper, not paper towel. Pepper.
Saba.
Ilocano mode.
May sugar
Pepper.
ka. Meron tayong sugar.
Sugar. Where's the sugar?
Ayun. Ito ba ta?
Sugar. Oh, sugar too. Sugar with the dinakdakan. Sugar. How much? Asin? Asin. This one?
Yes, this one is fine.
There is no asin. So we need this one too.
Stop.
Okay.
Ito pa.
Okay.
Sarap magic.
Oh, we will put that. Alright. This is for the dinakdakan. It's a Filipino dish.
Kalahati nito.
This is a pika-pika. If you love to drink beer, whiskey, this is what
Tamayan mo na yun,
Filipino family do.
Okay.
See, so much ingredients.
Some salt, please. Right here.
We already put
Ano yung salt,
this
kuya?
in it.
Right here.
Okay. So now that when you're making it, you have to dance.
Yes.
Okay, dance. So that it will turn delicious meal. Okay. And then you have to bite it like that. You have to bite it like that.
A camping way.
Yeah, that's a proper way. See? Pull it out of it. Yeah. Yeah.
Kumain si Maya.
Yeah. She's the bite girl. Oh, you bite it.
It didn't work. Ready?
It'll work. Alright. Almost done there. Okay. Let's see how she's going to put salt. Okay.
Okay, just a little bit of
Alright. Make sure not too much salty. Alright. That's what it is. See?
deeper.
Welcome to Sunshine Coast.
Sakit talaga sa puso.
So this guy is going to go for a paddle, but it's raining right now. And then where's the paddling son?
Ano mo na uli yan?
So they are a little bit far away there.
River shine.
Kids are still busy.
My back.
This rain.
Oh yeah, let's go in there.
Everybody's having fun with the beach here.
But it's raining,
There's no much. The wind is okay, not too much. It's just fair. But the problem is it's a little raindrops shower. There's another person there going for his own ride. Looks like they are going also for fishing.
If you're scared of the crab,
Crab fishing.
you can't be scared of anything.
No problem, no worries. Kids play, right? Up to there. Sino bang darating?
Clan! Galas ka na, litson na daw. Another litson pa, di dalawang litson na. Nako. Sa December na daw sila magpipit. That's nice. Sa Alaminos.
Paano kaya pag magkatutuwa?
Ay, hindi. Nandito yun. Yung pangalan.
Coffee time. Time check, 4 p.m.
Oh, may sari-sari store pala dito.
Oh, dito na si Patrick Malayo.
Hello.
Ayan po, nabalain mo.
Pati, sir, sir.
Balay, Papa Joe.
Asan?
Papa Joe.
Ako ng ano.
Wala daw siya dyan. Darating yung si Sitsen. Maganda yung ano lang, hinay-hinay lang para hindi naman mabigla. Naman yung dala.
Okay na.
Ano naman,
Oh,
okay
coffee
na.
time.
Saan na ba yung binata natin? Wala ba
Yung birthday celebrant, kailangan magkape.
Magkakapi ang birthday celebrant at
Yeah, yeah.
sinang kopya. Oh, di ba? Masaya lang.
Masaya lang.
Kumpare pa tayo ngayon.
Hinay-hinay daw.
Hinay lang. Baka mamaya eh.
Nagulat ako doon. Akala ko dalaga makita ko, tatay pala eh. Napagano na lang ako.
Hindi, isend mo yung picture ni Sitsen.
Tatay muna.
Mga galit yung dalaga, mga galit.
Isend mo sa akin.
Ka pa.
Ay, dadaan kayo muna kayo ng Joe.
Yeah.
Wala ka na.
Daan muna kayo.
Glory be to God.
Yeah.
Diba? Alam mo pala, nananahimik yung dalawa dyan.
Panakaw ng tinapay.
Sinong may palaman?
Coffee time.
Yung ano sa akin, mayo. Gusto nyo? Mayo, opo.
Baka mangunguha sila ng oyster.
May peanut butter din dito. Imbis na napapano ko ngayon, hindi na eh. Na-excite ako eh.
Ito na yung mayor. Mayor. Yung vice mayor. Sergeant at arms. Yeah. Wow.
Malaki.
Black label. Baliwala yan sa dami ng umiinom. Oh. Oh.
May anak pa ito eh.
Ay, manak pa.
Largaan ko lang. Yan na pa. Wala lang. Yan na pa? May alcohol. Pwede yung pang sanitizer.
May pa bang chaser dyan, boss? Chaser? Ha?
Quiet.
Okay. They're making, what are you cooking?
Lupang ka naman ang tayon. Kumain. Di ba kiritin mo ito manang?
So, the best.
Pagay sa balira, paano mo pa? Yan, kasi kagatindaman.
Ano kaya ito? Ano kaya ito?
Adobong mais.
Sinigang.
Sinigang kalding.
Oh. Goatee. The goatee. The goat. What is that? Shrimp. Too much today. Okay. This is for the special mention today. This day. Special mention.
Alam mo ba ni Miggy lang? Ayaw mo naman lamig. Doon, banda. There's the manager of Bulls or the United City. You don't know what is like. This guy is the...
Hello. Nene.
What the...
Tuwan-tuwa na naman kayo.